In this video, we'll be diving into the world of alternative assets and investments in the context of Web3. We'll explore what alternative assets are, why they're becoming increasingly popular, and how Web3 is changing the game. We'll also take a look at some of the most promising alternative investments in Web3, and what investors should keep in mind when considering these options. Welcome to our video on alternative assets and investments in Web3. If you're interested in exploring new investment opportunities and staying ahead of the game, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the world of alternative assets and investments in the context of Web3. We'll discuss why these investments are becoming increasingly popular, and how Web3 is changing the game for investors. So, let's get started. First, let's define what we mean by alternative assets and investments. An alternative asset is any investment that falls outside the traditional categories of stocks, bonds, and cash. These can include things like real estate, commodities, and collectibles. The appeal of alternative assets lies in their potential to provide diversification, inflation protection, and higher returns than traditional assets. Now, let's talk about why alternative investments are becoming increasingly popular. One reason is that investors are looking for ways to diversify their portfolios and reduce their exposure to market volatility. Another reason is that some alternative assets, like cryptocurrency and NFTs, have generated significant returns in recent years, making them attractive to investors. Which brings us to Web3. Web3 is the next generation of the internet, which is built on decentralized technologies like blockchain. One of the key features of Web3 is the ability to create, buy, and sell digital assets, which has opened up a whole new world of alternative investments. So, what are some of the most promising alternative investments in Web3? One is cryptocurrency, which has become a popular investment option for those looking to diversify their portfolios and potentially generate high returns. Another is NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, which are unique digital assets that can represent anything from art to music to virtual real estate. But it's important to note that investing in alternative assets and investments comes with its own set of risks and challenges. These assets can be liquid, volatile, and difficult to value. Investors should do their due diligence and understand the risks involved before making any investment decisions. That's it for our video on alternative assets and investments in Web3. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding the world of alternative investments and how Web3 is changing the game. If you're interested in exploring alternative investments further, be sure to do your research and consult with a financial professional. Thanks for watching.